Greetings, greetings, greetings. Whether this is the first time you listen or you listen every day. I have one question. You want to find out how Jesus did really talk about when him did tell the riddle them about the seed and the field and the wheat and the weed them? You want to find out? Well, listen good. But before you listen, if you want more people to hear God, I talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, now is the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right yourself.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 13 from verse 36 to verse 43. Then Jesus left the crowd of people them and go in a house. Him follower them come to him and say, "Tell we what the story about the weed in the field mean." Jesus answer say, "The one we plant the good seed are the man where God pick. The field are the world, and the good seed them are the people we belong to God kingdom. The weed them, that are the people them we belong to the wicked one. And the one we plant up the weed them are the devil that. The time when we go pick, that I talk about the last day when the world done. And the one them we gather up, we did plant up, are the angel them. Just like how the weed I go gather up and get burn up, a same thing I go happen on the last day them. The man where God pick, I go send out him angel them, and them I go take out him kingdom, everything we make people do wrong, and all of the wrong do them. And them I go dash them down a hell where the fire a burn at. That's so people are go bawl out them eye and I grind them teeth the way pain a lick them. But people them with the right I go shine like the sun in a them father kingdom. If you no have ears, you no better listen good. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.